In this episode, we're going to talk about open and closed syllables. Did you know that a syllable is a single sound of a spoken or written unbroken word? There are two types of syllables that we'll focus on today. Those are open and closed syllables. An open syllable ends with a vowel. That vowel usually has a long sound. For example, the word me is an open syllable. It ends with a single vowel E. That makes the long E sound. Other examples of open syllable words are be, no, go, and hi. A closed syllable has one vowel and ends with a consonant. That vowel usually has a short sound. For example, met is a closed syllable. It ends with a consonant T, and that makes the E a short E sound. Other examples of closed syllable words are ham, sit, mud, and hot. Now that we've learned about open and closed syllables, let's see if you can answer these questions. Is this syllable open or closed? You're right. Jet is a closed syllable. How about this syllable? Is it open or closed? You're right. We is an open syllable. How about this syllable? Is it open or closed? You're right. Pig is a closed syllable. I hope you like this lesson on open and closed syllables. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more and check out my TPT store for more activities.